Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download marketing budget templates from Tiller, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download marketing budget templates from Tiller, begin by visiting. Once there, locate the templates section on the home page. Click on this section to explore the various templates available. In the search bar, type marketing budget to filter the templates. Review the search results to find the marketing budget template that suits your needs. Click on the desired template to view its details. Take a moment to read the description and check for features that align with your budget requirements. When you're ready, look for the download button on the template page. Click the download button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. If necessary, complete the sign in or account creation process. Once signed in, your download should begin automatically. If it doesn't, look for a direct download link and click it. The template will typically download as a Google Sheets file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file using Google Sheets to start customizing your marketing budget. You are now ready to input your data and make adjustments as needed. Follow these steps to effectively manage your marketing budget with Tiller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.